So over here you can see that I have a picture, and if I were to go around onto basics and change around the temperature right here and then exposure, then you can see that certain settings is applied. And let's say you want to save the settings so that you can access it later. In that case, you can utilize snapshots. So to do that, you can go around onto the snapshot area and click on create snapshot right here. Once you do that, you can go around and name the snapshot. For example, I'm simply going to say blue and press OK right here. So this is the blue snapshot. I'm going to go around over here and change around the setting once more, just like this. Let me just go around and change it, change around the vibrance right here, and then go to snapshot and click on this, and let me just go around and name it as pink snapshot right here. Then I'm going to go around over here and let's just go around and then change this out so that it is more yellow, like warm right here. So I can go around and rename it to yellow snapshot over here. So if I want to access out other snapshots, simply hover around and you can see the different settings right here. So depending on what you want, you can simply select it and that snapshot will be applied, meaning that color correction or that settings will be applied onto the image that you select right here, just like this. You can go around and then click on the delete button right here to delete out the snapshot as well. And that is how you can utilize snapshots inside of Adobe Camera RAW. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.